You gave me the gift of life before I even knew who I was. You paid the ultimate price. At Calvary you shed your blood. Oh, how I love you so. You supply every one of my needs. And I don't always do you right, but you keep on blessing me. It's just amazing. Woo! It just shocks me. Not once have I ever seen a man. Listen, there were times when I could feel you ever so close to me, right there leading me and guiding me and protecting